The ASIB-approved fire tank by Aquadam is here. Although Aquadam's engineered, designed, and approved tanks have adhered to AWWA and NFPA international standards, our recent approval by the local fire industry inspection body ASIB is a big step forward for us. It allows us to supply our fire tanks to the local fire protection industry. As a company, we strive to continuously improve, to serve our customers, in whichever industry they may be. Ours is the perfect and most cost-effective solution for storing water for fire protection systems, whether it be sprinkler or hydrant systems. It is pertinent to ensure safety and compliance by installing a fire water tank at new and existing facilities in a water-scarce country such as South Africa. So don't delay, get in touch with one of Aquadam's sales consultants today to find out more about the fire tank. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and we'll see you next time for another 1-minute Q&A.